Y'all, so I'm gonna take my hair down so y'all can see it before I go to this new hair lady. But I just want to let y'all see it. You saw it the other day, but just want to show you. I feel like I need to do a better job at doing protein treatments and trimming so that it'll flourish more. But I just want to get it kind of even and then layered. All right, y'all. Here she is. Last time looking raggedy. Hopefully, I don't know how I'm gonna get her to style it either. I was thinking about just doing some flat twist or maybe some bantu knots or something. So I'm not too keen on letting other people do my hair, in case y'all haven't noticed. But we will see. Wish me luck. Here's the finished hairstyle. Just kidding. Isn't this cute? I'm gonna do a review on it. I'll probably wear it 1 or 2 days to kind of get a feel for her. But it's so cute. Let me go in the bathroom. To the better lighting. This is so cute. Yes, honey. This is Lena giving me all kinds of life. Yes, and I gotta cut the lace off. Don't judge me. But this is so cute. But so as y'all can tell, she definitely cut off some hers, and I wanted to do like the flat, have her do the flat twist in the front, so that when I do wear, I'll probably wear wigs to some protective styles for a couple days and let these dry. But I did that so my hair be flat, because I can never get my hair this flat. So I said, let me let her go ahead and do it. But as you can tell, that she definitely cut it in a downward slope-ish. And she was saying my ends were really bad, which they probably were. But I mean, it still has its length or whatevs. But you guys will see it next week whenever I do the final takedown. But I just wanted to hop on real quick. Today is really simple. I didn't take any footage in the hair salon because that was the first time meeting that lady, the stylist. So I didn't really want to record her in her shop, but it was really cute. I enjoy the style, and I definitely will go back to her again to get my ends trimmed. Keeping today short. 3 things I'm grateful for today. Let's see. I am grateful for my friend Erica that recommended me to this natural hairstylist so I can get these ends trimmed, honey. Yes. And I am grateful for this should come easy, shouldn't it? I am grateful for, I feel like I'm just grateful for the same things every day. I'm grateful for life, because you know, every day is a new day. So I try to treat it as such. That's my second thing I'm grateful for. And my third thing is I am grateful for the Chick-fil-A I had for dinner. I must confess, I had a 6-piece kids meal with an ice cream and a water, okay, for dinner, because I stayed at the salon for like 3 hours and I didn't plan. I haven't grocery shopped. So tomorrow we'll be picking up my groceries, and I'll take you guys with me to do that. But tonight, those are my 3 things that I'm grateful for. And well, let's add a bonus. I'm grateful for you guys continuing to watch this VEDA as I go through the month of April. So I will catch you guys tomorrow and tomorrow. So I just got my groceries. I love grocery pickup. And I'm heading back home. We'll do a grocery haul. All right, grocery haul. I have 2 rolls of Charmin, 1 for downstairs and 1 for upstairs, because I don't feel like going up and down the stairs trying to get tissue. I have this Pirates Booty. Y'all, this popcorn is, or is it popcorn? I don't know if it's considered popcorn or not. But these little cheddar puffs are so good. And I got the 12 ounce, the 12 1/2 ounce bags, because it's more portion control. Yeah, girl. So I have that, and then, oh my goodness. Since it's Scandal Thursday, you got to have some red wine. So if you guys can find Cocoa Bond Red Blend, this is only $6.99, but it is so good. It's 2015 from California. Cocoa Bond, try it out. It's so good. So this will be going to Scandal night. I'll be going to my girlfriend's house, one of my girlfriend's house later. And the girls get together and watch Scandal, so I'll be watching that with that wine. I need some more detergent. Got some Tide Pods. Hashtag no Tide Pod challenge. I don't think these are the right ones. They are not. I got the wrong Swifter thingamajigger, so I'm going to take these back. But those are the wrong ones. Oh, and then another Cocoa Bond for the house. Next up, stir fry, in the kitchen is twisted like a stir fry. Stir fry blend, broccoli, sugar, snap peas, green peas, carrots, celery, onions, red peppers. Self-explanatory, just trying to get more vegetables in this life. I got some cauliflower, yeah. Let's see, then I got a broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, frozen vegetables mix. A lot of frozen vegetables. Yellow squash, they last longer. And then just some broccoli florlets. So all these are gonna go. Oh, I hope I have room. Woo! All right, so they had buy one get one free on these bags of salad. So I got the sweet butter. I really like sweet butter. So we have sweet butter salad mixes. This is very unhealthy, but you know, like I said, you always gotta have balance. So I have 2 of this Pillsbury cinnamon rolls, cinnamon buns. These were buy one get one free too, so you know, I had to splurge. Some blue cheese crumbles to go on my salad. I want to try this. It was interesting. The cows are grass-fed, so it's supposed to be 100% grass-fed cow milk. We'll see if I can tell a difference. Probably can't. But you know, I do it for the marketing. You know, they get me every time. They get me every time. Woo! Next up are some collard greens. I like to do collard greens in my green smoothies to add kind of a spice to it. Yeah, you should try it. And then what's next? Oh, I got 2 of these holy mollies. Oh, buddy, I thought I only got 1. Well, apparently I got 2 heads of cauliflower, although I already have the frozen cauliflower. I wanted to make some sesame cauliflower or buffalo bites, one of the 2. I have to get the recipe from my friend Katie. Hey, Katie girl. And because she made some and they were really good. So I'm going to try that instead of having like fried chicken. Have some cauliflower. Let's put this in my fridge. Some lemons. They were like $5 for $5 or something like that. So I use these bad boys to put my water, my green juice, a little bit of everything. So I love lemons. Good for ya. Good for the soul. Strawberries were buy one get one free also. They smell very sweet and strawberry-ish. Back here, I don't know if you guys can see this. I got paper towels. Another thing of toilet paper. I have another thing of Pirate's Booty. I'm going to take it with me to Bible study. So the girls in Bible study can have some Pirate's Booty with their Jesus readings. Some ginger. I don't know why I got this, but fresh ginger is always good. So I'll probably cut it, slice it, freeze it. Cut it and slice it, just some other things. Slice it, freeze it, both of those. Oh, I got these for free. These are my free gifts, or this is my one free gift they gave me. Avocados, these now have to go in the refrigerator because Moon Pie likes to eat them and they're not that good for dogs. This will be going in the refrigerator. And 2 things of tomates. Love tomatoes. I am a tomato fanatic. That's it. Grocery haul. I think that's all. Oh no, one more thing. Last but not least are 2 Angus beef top round steaks. They were buy one get one free. So awesome, and they look really, really good. So I'll probably split these into 4s and just freeze the extra. But yeah, buy one get one free. So yes, I'm back on eating meat, but I'm gonna try to be good and only have it at 1 meal and not like every single meal, like breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Fine. Anyways, let me close this refrigerator. But yeah, that's it guys, and hope you enjoyed that food haul. Food haul. Food haul.